Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can update Facebook app on your Android phone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under the video and write your comments. So let's get down to our topic. And in order for you to update Facebook on your Android device, you'll first need to open an app called the Play Store or the App Store. Then here you'll need to enter the word Facebook into the search box and go to it. Next you will need to open this app. Here, where I have the word open, you'll have the word update. And you'll just need to click on that word and wait for a while for the app to update. It's going to take basically a little bit of time, a minute, maybe two, depending on what kind of internet connection you have and also how much information you have on Facebook. Also friends, I recommend that you set up auto update for the future so that you don't have to update Facebook very often anymore on your own. To do that, you'll need to click on the three dots at the top. And where you'll find the auto update section, just click the check mark next to it so that it's like mine. And once you enable auto update, you won't have to worry whether your app is updated or not, because it will do it on its own and automatically as soon as the Facebook update is released. In this way, you can easily update Facebook app on your Android. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Write your comments, give your likes, and see you soon.